Yeah. This is awesome. Yeah. You don't know how to get down, huh? Yeah, you don't know how to get down. You could break your legs. This is the new thing. Seaweed, tell this fool. Seaweed, tell this fool. Tell this fool. And here he goes where he just lays on her. Okay. And she smells his foot. Come on, give me a Fleming. Give me a Fleming. Audie Murphy, you're bad. You are bad. Bogey, you see this fool? Do you see this? He's like, yeah, motherfucker, why do you think I'm over here? Show him a cat butt. Audie! Yeah, you don't know how to get down, huh? Oh, what did you do? You guys are little friends. Okay, come.